Welcome. In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Pro, and I'm going to show you how you can get this amazing LED keyboard on this smartphone. So at the first we have to go back to the home screen, and I'm going to delete this application, and I'm going to show you how to go through the whole process. So go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here LED keyboard. As you can see, my keyboard theme automatically has changed after you install this application, and we have to get this application from the ZASIC Studio. There's LED keyboard lightning, so let's click install, and now we have to wait for that app. It is almost only 100%, and in a few moments you will be able to open it, and right now we can. So just click here, click enable, tap on the switcher, click OK, OK one more time, go back, click select, and select LED keyboard. And here we can apply one of the theme. So I'm going to show you, for example, this round border, and as you can see, that's how it looks. But my favorite theme right here, it was unlimited probably, and yeah, I think this one is the most beautiful of all of these themes. So that's a really easy way how we can get this theme on your HTC Desire 20 Pro, and I hope that helped you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!